Nag-order ako guys ng matcha lattes. Perfect! Thank you so much! And then si Chris nakakuha siya ng It is 5:17 na ng hapon and we are on the way to our destination. Ayan, punta tayo ng Banff. And the weather, it's so nice guys. Nakisama siya, thank you Lord. Super sunny today as in. Tapos naka-sweater pa tayo. Yung asawa ko init na init. Pero ngayon na rin ako naiinitan na ako. Pero the weather is giving you guys. Super nice niya talaga. So guys, kain tayo ng siopaw. Thank you, Lala. Yun na kami nakabili ng kape. Pinlano namin yung mga snacks namin, guys. Para hindi tayo magugutom at hindi tayo masyadong gagastos. Grabe yung driver ko, guys, oh. Kita niyo yung driver ko. Guwapo. So, itong pagpunta natin ng Calgary ay ng Banff guys. Para ma-refresh yung ating brain. Ayan, tsaka makapag-bonding kami ng asawa ko. Kasi we've been so busy and school, work. So, parang feeling namin, deserve namin magbakasyon. And it's gonna be worth it. We're gonna make it worth it and then we're just gonna take our time lang guys to do a lot of things. Wala naman kami masyado, especially me, I didn't plan so much for this weekend trip. Ang sabi ko lang sa kanya, we're just gonna go there kasi super ganda naman ang view namin and we can go like walk anywhere we want. So, ayan. Pero very lang yung weather, hindi natin alam kung anytime mag-i-snow or lalamig ulit, but right now the weather is so nice. So our travel time is roughly 4.5 hours. So meron na tayong naka 1 hour na tayo nababa. Yeah. Naka 1 hour na kami. So arrival namin is around 8:30 PM. Pero once in a while I will update you guys kasi I don't want you guys to get bored sa aming travel. Yeah. Ito naman next natin na snacks guys. Cheese rings. Bili ng baba ko. Para kasi nagkikrave ako sa lasa ng cheese niya. At ito nga yung cheese na gusto ko na papaniginipan ko. Medyo makunat na siya. No? Update. Ayan, 7:30 na ng gabi. And it's so nice pa rin ang weather by the way. Meron na lang tayong 1.5 drive papunta ng Banff. Ayan, super excited na kami. So, hindi ko na kayo masyadong na-update sa view kasi yung view namin puro siya. Mga dahon-dahon lang siya. And it's not giving pa. Ayan, yung aking asawa. That's our view guys. Bumili lang tayo guys ng Tim Hortons para meron tayong iniinom. Kasi kanina, on the way namin is na-miss namin yung turn or parang sumobra kami, di ba babe? So hindi kami agad nakabili. So we waited mga 1.5 bago kami nakabili ng coffee or 1 hour siguro. Yeah.
Hello. Good. Yourself? How many days ago?
We're going home Sunday. Yes. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Guys, eto, dumaan na kami. Kanina lang pinag-uusapan namin ni Chris kung kailan kami pupunta doon sa mismong, ano yun, love? Yung pinaka-entrance niya. Parang toll gate siya sa atin to get a pass para sa park. So, nakabayad na kami. Kumuha na rin tayo nito. Well, hindi naman natin first time dito sa BAM. Guys, malapit na tayo. We're 5 minutes away sa BAM. Ayan. Grabe guys, perfect ang ating
Yung gas natin sa
gas. BAM.
Pwede ba yun? Nagbabike siya sa on-camera.
Yay! Andito na tayo. Konti na lang. We are in Banff downtown. Guys, andito na kami sa aming hotel sa Fox Hotel and Suites. Ang lamig niya pa. Nakakaloka. We're just gonna check in muna and then we're gonna we'll figure it out kung paano natin iaano yung ating mga luggage. Check in na tayo, guys. Super nice. Yeah, that's correct. Guys, kaka-check in lang natin dito sa ating room. Pero kailangan din natin bumaba kasi our vehicle is downstairs. And mamaya na ako chichika sa inyo. Pero ito na yung ating mga key cards and everything. Nababa na namin yung luggage namin. Punta naman tayo dun sa labas ulit. At tayo ay ipapark natin yung sakyan natin sa sa side lang. Kasi puno na daw yung kanilang underground. Super nice, guys. Nakahanap kami ng parking sa gilid lang ng street, guys. So, hindi natin alam. Basta meron na lang tayong parking pass na galing sa hotel. So, hopefully that's okay lang. Tapos lakarin na lang natin kasi medyo malapit lang naman dito. Ayan. Ito, guys. Pindot tayo nito. Ayan. Let's go. Let's cross the street.
Ay, alam mo pa na nakalimutan.
What?
Yung rice.
No. Ay! Fox Hotel. Tapos nandito din yung Chili's. Ayan. Punta na tayo sa ating room. So, ito siya, guys. Pagpas. Tapos dito tayo hagdanan, no?
Aesthetic. Ganda ito napili mo.
Cute, diba? Ginigin na. Hey, we made it! I'm super excited. Thank you, Lord.
I love you.
I love you too. We're just gonna enjoy this one. Prepare namin yung aming food. Grabe man yung air nito, babe. And what is that? Naman yung buong bahay namin. Nagdala kami yung paper plates.
Yep.
Diba? Dito tayo kakain. Pero walang microwave. Pero nagdala lang kami ng drinks. Ayan. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick tour na tong room natin. Quiet lang tayo kasi may mga neighbor na tayo. And gabi na. So, let's go. So, this is our door. And then, I got the one with 2 beds. So, ayan siya. 2 queen bed or double bed. And then, meron lang siyang table dito. Ayan. And then, yung aking asawa. And then, they have like this full mirror. And then, this, so, ito, very straightforward siya, guys. Yung inyong closet. And then, your full size, mirror to brush your teeth, get ready and everything. And then, ito naman yung shower. Diba? Very cute. Right? Yan. Very straightforward. Tayo! Nagdala lang ako ng itong ulam namin. Rice and mang inasal. And Pepsi.
The Bond car is portrayed as a Cuba. He's got rich people all around the world clamoring, saying, I want one. But scaling
but winning a war isn't one of them. For that, you need something a little more nimble.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday, and this is our full day today here sa Banff. And nakakatuwa kasi umihi lang ako nina and then napacheck ako sa labas. And I saw 2 deers. But they're here, nandun sila sa labas. I-insert ko na lang yung clip ko sa phone ko kasi mas madali akong nakapag-video sa phone kasi I was holding it. But, yeah. Morning!
Morning guys.
Yan. Super nice ng tulog namin. Wala siya, given na walang aircon guys. Kasi nga, we are by the mountain. So, you don't necessarily need, AC. And it's cold outside,
It's
no?
cold.
It's cold. I don't know what's the temperature right now. But I don't know kung mag-breakfast kami ni Chris, but we're gonna have our first coffee here. We're cozy. I love the ambience dito. Morning guys, ayan, katapos ko lang mag-freshen up and I'm getting ready. Ito pa lang yung nalagay ko, yung e.l.f. na Halo Glow. So I'm not gonna put so much on my face kasi ayoko siyang maging feel tacky. So, ito lang yung causes na aking sinisimot. So, we don't have plan for today, you guys. Ano lang, it's literally, we're gonna go for breakfast. Kasi yung coffee lang dito sana. Okay na kami sa coffee sana, pero it doesn't taste good. So, hindi siya ganun kasarap. So, lalabas na lang kami. And then, ang advantage lang talaga sa location namin is we can walk in areas like sa Banff talaga kami na avenue. So, we can just walk. This is the Mario Makeup Bar Mario na concealer. Para lang mag-brighten up yung ating face. Yung ating under eye. Ayan. Powder from Sephora. Iset lang natin siya. Wala naman tayong hinabol na oras. We're technically just gonna take our time here. And then, kasi tomorrow uuwi na tayo. Ganun siya kabilis. Wala tayong nagawa but to rest. But for me, okay lang talaga yung ganun. Kasi parang hindi tayo pressure. Walang masyadong nangyayari. By the way, guys, ang Sephora is on sale if you are a Rouge member. You get a 20% discount. Meron akong few items sa aking list. Pero, I don't know. And then, this is my favorite brow gel. This is from Rare Beauty. This is just a clear brow gel. So nice. So nice. For my hair, I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm just literally just gonna brush it. Or, i-ano ko lang siya guys. So, kain lang natin yung ating hair. And then, if we feel like so hot, I can just bring my glow clip. Ready na tayong lumabas. Nagbitbit lang kami ng jacket. Just in case na malamig. Tatanggalin na lang namin. Punta tayo sa breakfast. We're gonna walk for a few minutes. Mga 10 minutes. Sa breakfast na gusto namin. Puntahan. Good morning, Banff! We are staying here sa The Fox Hotel. Ayan. Ayan siya. It's very gloomy this morning. Yan yung ating front view. Right? So cute! Super nice!
Hi guys. Good morning.
Morning!
Walking kami ngayon sa papunta sa breakfast namin destination.
Right? Morning walk starts now. Ayan. Wala pa masyadong tao and hindi pa masyadong punta tayo sa Good Folk na breakfast. Nandun din yung si Sadon Sally. Pwede tayo kay Good Folk. I don't know kung bukas na sila. Let's see. Yeah. Located siya dito sa Otter Hotel ba tawag siya. But i-check muna natin siya. Kung open na sila. Outside, they have that. And then that's your view. The mountain. Yung ating food, guys. I got the egg benedict. Like yung kay Chris, parang flat ayaw. I don't know what you call that. But steak yung kanya. And then I get the egg benedict. Yan, kain tayo. Another famous coffee shop, guys. Analog Coffee. We're walking papunta sa Surprise Corner Point. So, tingnan natin. Kasi meron kami dito nakitang bridge. Trail downtown. Ayan. We're gonna be this way. Right? Oh, it's so nice. Oh, hindi na siya frozen, man. Guys. Low tide pa nga siya, ha? Pero ang cute ng bridge. Yeah. It's so nice. Oh, babe. Ended up going here sa Bow Valley Trail para ma-check natin yung trail at saka yung river na rin. Super nice super cozy, and it's very quiet. Yeah, I can see it. Nandito na tayo, guys, sa may hagdan para sa view. So, parang magiging isang daanan lang sila. Diba? Ikaw din hininga.
Dito sa line.
Mamaya na ulit ang hingal. Bow Valley River. Beautiful. Hello.
Hi guys. Tingnan ng waterfall.
Guys, tapos na tayo sa Bow Valley River na trail. Tapos ngayon, nadaanan namin kanina yung pangalan nun? Oh, Banff Bridge something. Yan, super nice. Nag-quick picture lang tayo. And then now we're heading to Cascade Garden. I think this is literally sa downtown na siya. Ayan, tapos nagtanggal na rin ako ng aking jacket kasi super hot. I'm sweating sa little hike namin. Puro stairs lang naman siya and flats. Pero puro uphill din siya. So, Ayun.
Bitingin ka.
Welcome to Cascades of Time Garden. Please come in.
Oh,
Wala siya masyadong makikita mo, no? Kasi frozen pa siya. So wala pa tayo masyadong makikita. This is the garden. It's supposed to be colorful siya. Pero wala siya ngayon. So nice. How peaceful is that? Saan tayo pupunta ba?
balik tayo ngayon sa Chili's, guys. Sa Chili's.
Yes. Dito yung nasa downtown nila. Ano na, 12, almost 1 p.m. na ata. Ngayon pa lang tayo magla-lunch. Actually, punta muna tayo ulit sa hotel kasi doon located yung Chili's. Doon tayo kakain ng lunch. First po ata dito sa downtown na area. Ayan. Nalayo nang nalakad natin. Parang nalakad natin yung buong downtown. No, babe? Nalakad ata natin yung buong within Banff na area, no?
Yeah, kaya ako naikot na.
It's crazy.
Pero yung hindi naman natin naikot, yung mga ano dito, sa downtown area.
Like this area pa lang, hindi pa natin na ano. Nakita namin yung moose. Guys, it's so big. Laki. That's so nice. Laki niya, guys. Wow. Dito tayo, guys, sa Chili's. Dito lang din kami nag-hotel. So, dito na lang natin yung napili natin mag-lunch. Tapos, sakay na lang tayo ng bus later kung gusto pa namin mag-ikot sa town. Kasi may bus, naman kami, ticket na kasama sa hotel na binook namin. So, ayan.
Matitikman natin yung steak.
Ang lunch namin, I got the grilled salmon. Si Chris ay fajita. Overlooking Balik lang namin galing sa hot pool and matagal din kami doon actually. I think we stayed there for 1.5 hours or maybe an hour lang. So, ayan, super nice, super cozy ng ano niya guys, ng ambience. And napaka-perfect lang nung timing namin kasi wala pa masyadong tao and it's less crowded. And now, nung mag-ano na kami, we're done. Medyo napi-fill na rin yung pool. So, perfect na maga kami pumunta. At least na-experience na namin. Hello! Saan tayo? Ramen Arashi. Yeah. Order kami ng appetizer, ang kanilang tokoyaki. Tokoyaki na? Tokoyaki. Wala pa ako malaglag siya.
Ayun, puti ko.
Yeah, he's just gone out for a second.
Tonkatsu na spicy. Ayan. Same lang kami ni Chris. Hindi na siya. Parang sakto lang. That was it.
Sound like the ladies so excited. We're saying that we don't like going out to restaurants and Fortnite anymore.
Is that the only club in?
Yeah, pretty much. Well, I mean, they're not the best enough necessarily.
No, I'm joking.
Oh, mate, what do you trust us to do?
Yeah, no, I don't.
Bro, that is awesome. Why is Bruno sound Close time.
I can't remember now.
We are heading back to our hotel. Ang ganda ng view paggabi na, oh. Hindi pa siya masyadong madilim. Maglalakad na tayo. Yan na. Ganda guys sa gabi ng mga super nice ng mga mountains. Ayun, kitang-kita may ice pa, babe, no? And guys, we just got back from our dinner. Kumain lang kami dito sa Ramen Atasha pangalan, I think. I don't remember. Pero it was located at the Sunny Mall or something. Hindi ko na rin ma-remember kasi naglakad lang kami. And then, actually, when we eat there, hindi pa masyadong busy. But when we leave the restaurant, super long na ng pila. Kasi very limited lang guys yung seats doon. Pero for me, yung ramen, it's not too bad. By the way, I get the spicy tonkatsu. Yun yung version niya ng spicy ng original. Tomorrow, yung agenda natin is since home time na tomorrow. So, I don't know kung anong magiging plano namin. Pero gusto namin mag-coffee shop. So, anyway, super happy naman nitong trip natin, Baba. Did you have fun?
Yep.
Yeah. So, okay naman siya, guys. We love this place. It's very cozy. Yeah. So, yung goal lang talaga namin dito is to get away, go around, no plans, but, just to be around. And, hindi kami nagmamadali sa lahat ng pinupuntahan. Pansin namin ni Chris na every time we travel or go around that out of town, super nagmamadali kami to do stuff. So sabi ko sa kanya, when we go here sa Banff, we're just gonna take it easy, take our time, and just enjoy the view. Or food. Alam mo yun, pero kasi super dami na namin nakakain. And we don't have space sa tummy namin para mag-snacks pa on the side. We wanted to try a lot of food. Pero naisip namin na, we're gonna have dinner na, we're gonna have lunch na, so we don't have, alam mo yun, space. So, hindi kami masyado nakakain ng mga side food and drinks, pero busog na busog yung mata namin and yung paa namin kakalakad. Nice, no? Hi. Okay, thank you. Dito tayo sa Sally. Sad and Sally. Yay! Order ako guys ng matcha latte. Si Chris ay nag-order siya ng cappuccino. Ayan. Cappuccino yan. Latte yan, kape. Haluin mo muna.
Masisira ang presentation.
Ay, ganun talaga. Ang lasang dahon. Food natin guys. I got the omelette. We got the side of order a pancake. And then croissant breakfast. Yay! It looks good.